You don't need Botox, expensive serums, or a dermatologist to start rebuilding collagen and reversing wrinkles. Sometimes all it takes is the right ingredients in your own kitchen. If you're over 50, your skin is naturally producing less collagen every year, leading to sagging, dullness, and fine lines. But what if you could feed your skin exactly what it needs to restore firmness, glow, and elasticity naturally? In this video, you'll learn how to make a DIY collagen-boosting face mask that's specifically designed for mature skin. It's simple, affordable, and backed by science. We'll break down each ingredient and explain how it works on a cellular level to support collagen and improve skin health, all without chemicals or harsh treatments. Watch to the end for bonus tips on when to use this mask and how to pair it with your skincare routine for maximum results. Let's get glowing. Why mature skin needs extra collagen support. By the time we reach our 50s and 60s, our body's collagen production has dropped dramatically. Collagen is the protein that keeps skin firm, smooth, and youthful. But with age, collagen fibers begin to thin and weaken. This leads to wrinkles, sagging, dryness, and that tired, hollowed look many notice in the mirror. Sun exposure, pollution, stress, and poor nutrition accelerate this breakdown. And while internal nutrition is key, so is external care. Topical ingredients can stimulate skin repair, hydrate the surface, and help maintain the collagen we still have. The best part? Nature already provides us with everything we need to nourish and support our skin. Let's start by looking at the top 5 ingredients in this anti-aging mask and what they do. Ingredient number 1, avocado. The moisture rebuilder avocado is the ultimate skin food. It's packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that deeply hydrate and repair the skin barrier. The monounsaturated fats in avocado soften rough texture and help restore suppleness to dry, thinning skin. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals and protects collagen from oxidative damage. Avocado also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that improve skin tone and elasticity. When applied topically, mashed avocado acts like a cushion, plumping up the skin and sealing in moisture. It's especially powerful for mature skin prone to dryness, fine lines, and flaking. Use 2 tablespoons of ripe, mashed avocado as the base of your mask. Ingredient number 2, raw honey, the natural humectant and healer. Raw honey is a natural miracle for aging skin. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and helps it stay hydrated longer. Honey contains powerful enzymes, amino acids, and antibacterial compounds that soothe irritated skin and promote healing. It's also naturally acidic, which helps exfoliate dead cells gently, leaving the skin brighter and smoother. Raw honey has been shown to increase skin regeneration and may stimulate wound healing and tissue repair. This makes it perfect for mature skin, which often loses its ability to repair as quickly as it once did. Add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey to your avocado base and mix well. Avoid processed honey. Only raw retains the enzymes and nutrients your skin needs. Ingredient number 3, egg white, the natural skin tightener. Egg whites are nature's answer to sagging skin. They contain protein, albumin, and collagen-like compounds that temporarily tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. When applied to the skin, egg whites form a thin film that contracts as it dries, offering an instant lifting effect. This makes your pores look smaller and gives the face a firmer, more youthful appearance. Egg whites are also rich in lysine and proline, the building blocks of natural collagen. Whisk 1 egg white until slightly frothy and fold it into the mask. Avoid if you have an egg allergy, and always test a small patch before full application. It's a fantastic short-term tightening agent that also supports long-term skin health when used regularly. Ingredient number 4, yogurt. The gentle exfoliator. As we age, our skin's natural exfoliation process slows down. That means dead skin cells accumulate, making the complexion look dull and uneven. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that gently dissolves dead cells and encourages new cell turnover. It's far gentler than chemical peels, making it ideal for sensitive, mature skin. Yogurt also contains probiotics that support the skin's microbiome, the protective layer of good bacteria that keeps your skin healthy and resilient. It's a great way to brighten your complexion, unclog pores, and prep your skin to absorb the other nutrients in the mask. Use 1 tablespoon of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt for best results. Ingredient number 5, turmeric, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric is a golden super spice known for its anti-inflammatory and skin-brightening properties. Its active compound, curcumin, neutralizes free radicals and helps calm redness, puffiness, and irritation. Turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Asian skincare to promote glow, even tone, and youthful resilience. It may also help stimulate collagen-producing cells and reduce collagen degradation. Add just 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric to the mask. A little goes a long way. Mix thoroughly to avoid clumping. If you're concerned about staining, you can rinse with milk or use less on your first try. The glow it brings is worth it. To make the mask. In a bowl, mash 2 tablespoons of ripe avocado until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon raw honey and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Whisk 1 egg white until slightly frothy, then mix into the blend. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well until everything is evenly combined into a creamy texture. To apply, start with clean, dry skin. Apply the mask evenly using your fingers or a brush. Avoid the eyes and lips. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes until it starts to tighten slightly. Rinse with lukewarm water and follow up with a light moisturizer. Use once or twice a week for best results. When to use this mask? Timing tips for mature skin. For optimal anti-aging effects, use this mask. At night, before applying your evening moisturizer. After exfoliation, to help nutrients absorb better. During dry or cold weather when skin is feeling tight. After sun exposure to calm inflammation and promote healing. Avoid using it right before applying makeup. Let your skin breathe and recover after the mask. Consistency is key. One application won't turn back the clock, but regular use can gradually brighten skin, soften fine lines, and improve elasticity. Think of this as skincare nutrition. Your face deserves the same nourishment as your body. Bonus tips for glowing skin over 50 to boost results even more. Drink collagen-rich drinks like bone broth, lemon water, and aloe vera juice. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. This is when collagen rebuilds. Use a silk pillowcase to prevent skin creasing. Apply a gentle facial massage or gua sha after the mask to stimulate circulation. Avoid harsh soaps and over-exfoliating. And most importantly, manage stress. Chronic stress breaks down collagen faster than age itself. A calm mind leads to calm, glowing skin. This DIY natural collagen-boosting mask combines the best of nature's ingredients: avocado, honey, egg white, yogurt, and turmeric to support firm, hydrated, and youthful-looking skin. It's gentle, affordable, and tailored specifically for mature skin over 50. You don't need fancy creams or painful treatments. Just consistent, natural care from the inside and out. Try this mask weekly and pair it with a healthy lifestyle for glowing results. Thanks for watching Better Health Over 50. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips, anti-aging foods, and wellness advice to help you look younger, feel stronger, and live longer, naturally.